everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Pit Boss Pro Series 850, so make sure you stay tuned. Alright, so the Pit Boss Series Pro 850 has a total of 850 square inches of cooking between the three racks. So this is one, and then the top removable one. So it would be good if you're having burgers, a bunch of other things. It's removable, so then you can have, this is just about 500 square inches, and then this adds about 250 square inches. But let's put that back in there, and we'll start the tour and review. Starting on the right side of the smoker, we have this heavy-duty side shelf. It comes with 3 hooks. That's great for hanging your barbecue tongs, spatula. This shelf measures in at 18 inches by, I believe it was 18 by 13 inches. It can hold a cookie sheet, whatever you're putting on. It's a nice addition. Moving on up, we have the smoke chimney. I was gonna get the Pit Boss 700, and it was just a regular one, and it didn't have a smoke chimney, and I thought I really wanted one. I think it looks nice, and it's also adjustable, so you can adjust how much smoke you want to stay in. And overall, I just think it looks really well. Under here now, under the side shelf, we have this grease bucket tray. Pit Boss sends you the Pit Boss bucket, it's metal, and then a removable insert. It says remove after 15 days, but it's got no grease in there, so we'll keep it up. Hangs nicely just on this hook here, so grease will drip in. I don't know if any grease actually will drip in unless you're just cooking something really greasy. But now let's start on the main chimney. I already told you guys about how many square inches this can cook, but now I'll just talk to you guys about the grates. So these are cast iron. They're covered in, I forget what they're called. I'll search it up and put it on screen. But I love the diamond thing. I was gonna get the smoker, like I said, the 700. It just had straight lines. I like the grill marks of the diamonds. Something else that was super important to me when I was buying the grill was those holes. It's called the sear. So if you pull this lever right here, so you push it and then you can pull. So when I push it in, it closes those holes. Those holes are shut, but when I pull, it opens it and it allows direct searing. It can get up to 1,000 degrees, so you can sear an awesome steak. I haven't seared any steak on it yet, but I'm super excited to try that. Something I really wanted, and I'm happy the 850 comes with it. So now we're gonna take off the grates. I'll show you guys the firebox, or I'll try showing it to you guys, but let's go do that. All right, I got those grates off, and I'll show you a better example of the sear broiler. So when I push the handle in, it shuts it. So now this is good for low and slow. You don't want direct flames to burn a brisket, for an example, so you would close it. But if you're smoking burgers, you got the smoke flavor, and now you just want to give it a nice char, you would pull it, and then the firebox is directly under it, and you're gonna get that direct flame. So that's something I really wanted. I'm happy this one has. Excited to use it, but I also don't want to use it as it's gonna get all dirty, but I guess I'll just use it anyways. Tomorrow I'm gonna be cooking a turkey, and I plan just to wrap this all with tin foil to protect it from getting dirty, so I'm gonna do that later. Not in this video, but if you guys want, I'll do more videos on the Pit Boss. So I'm not gonna remove it to show you guys the firebox today. In future videos I will, but now just move the camera back. We'll move it to this side shelf, the front shelf I should say. So it is foldable. It can either be up, locks in like that, or you can have it down. One thing I don't like about this shelf, I'll show you guys, this Pro Series, it's 2 different pieces of metal, and that is the bottom one. So if you get blood example, it's gonna be hard to clean. So that's one thing that they should fix. I don't know, just like divot the Pit Boss, the Pro Series, but that's one thing I don't like about this. So let's fold that back down. This grill also comes with Wi-Fi, which was a sweet, awesome reason too. I'll show you guys this. You can pause the video if you want to read it. The Smoke It app, let's move back. This grill features a 21-pound hopper capacity. I did a couple cooks in it and I didn't even fill it full, and it's still got that many. But 21-pound hopper capacity can fit a full 20-pound bag, and then 2 fills on the 40-pound bag. Built-in meat thermometer, and it can go plug into the display. I'll show you guys that. But it comes with 1 prong, and it can hold 2. You can order them. I think a new probe's like $10, so I'll probably order another one. No need to have an extra thermometer now. Some more safety hazards up there. Let's close that. It's got also a little side handle, and it's all on wheels, so it's easy moving. When I use it, I always halt back outside, but I don't have a cover yet, so I just keep it inside. I'm not sure if I'm gonna plug it in, but here's the control panel. It's turned off right now. You got your temperature knob. It's got lights for the fan if the fan's running, igniter, and the auger. If you guys don't know, pellet smokers are auger driven, so it slowly feeds pellets into the firebox. Igniter rod starts it, and that's how you get your smoke. So here's the 2 prong holes. Let me just unhook you guys. Here's the thermometer plugs. It's got 2 ports, which is awesome. I'm excited to use that. Again, I just got this grill a couple weeks ago, so I didn't have much time to use it. Cooking the turkey tomorrow, and I'm gonna make a video on the whole thing with brining it and all that. So stay tuned to that. But here it is, the overall Pit Boss Series Pro 850. I've cooked some chicken thighs. I'm excited to do ribs, brisket. I haven't made a brisket on this one yet, but I will really soon. If you guys like this videos or have any other questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box below, and I'll look into them. Thank you guys for watching.